33 English proverbs with Urdu meaning and translation. 1. To show anger after getting embarrassed. 2. A wish coming true. 3. Getting involved without having. 4. More mouths will have more talks. 5. To talk big without having a big position. 6. The division is the main reason for the damage. 7. Big difference in status or class. 8. As you sow, so shall you reap. 9. To use the available opportunity. 10. One is afraid of her crime. 11. More to it than meets the eye. 12. Casting pearl before swine. 13. A poor worker blames his tools. 14. Between the devil and deep sea. 15. Cut your coat according to your cloth. 16. Where there is a will there is a way. 17. Birds of the same feather flock together. 18. All is well that ends well. 19. In Rome do as the Romans do. 20. Do evil and look for like. 21. Fool to others, to himself a sage. 22. Good mind, good finds. 23. Barking dogs seldom bite. 24. As the king, so are the subjects. 25. If the sky fall, we shall catch larks. 26. Taxes and gruel will continually grow thicker. 27. Knowledge makes one laugh, but wealth makes one dance. 28. Love and nature cannot be concealed. 29. Mountain high mountain sickness. 30. Rivers are roads which move. 31.